The EZ Siding Adapter. This zinc-coated steel adapter makes installation of siding hassle-free and easier to do.
The depth, the height, and thickness of this is all set to sit right on this, right here.
Perfectly fits over the Bostitch roofing gun. Save time and man-hours on any siding installation. Even new workers can learn to install siding like a veteran.
How long you been using this piece? Just now.
US patented and crafted to deliver supreme excellence. The EZ Siding Nailer is made up of zinc-coated hardened steel. This adapter will hold up well under challenging job situations and the toughest conditions. The EZ Siding Adapter delivers best value for your money. Our patented vinyl siding tool will improve your vinyl siding installation efficiency by 400%. This awesome addition to your toolbox will pay for itself in 1 week, or you can return it for free.
This tip rides just like that.
Contact us today at ezsidingnailer.com.